Hello everyone. Today we are going to be looking at order of operations. In your MAT021 workbook, we will be completing examples 1 through 8. For these, we will be using the order of operations as discussed in your lesson. So let's go ahead and look at example 1. So for example 1 here, we have 5 minus 4 times 3. According to our order of operations, we will need to do 4 times 3 first, which will give us 12. So we will end up with 5 minus 12. And then 5 minus 12 would be negative 7. So negative 7 would be the answer for that problem. For number 2, we have 50 divided by 5 times 2. Now, a lot of you are going to want to skip over the division and multiply first. But order of operations says that we need to do multiplication and division left to right. So we don't skip over the division, okay? Don't go back to the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, okay? When all we have is division and multiplication, we're going to do our division first here because it comes first in the problem. So 50 divided by 5 is 10. And then we'd have 10 times 2, which would give us 20. So the final answer for that one, number 2, is 20. Let's look at number 3. For number 3, we have 70 minus 9 times 6 plus 18. So according to our order of operations, we would do any multiplication and division before the addition and subtraction. So we need to do that multiplication first. So 9 times 6 will give us 54. So that would be 70 minus 54 plus 18. Now again, with order of operations, addition and subtraction, now we go left to right, which means we're actually going to subtract before we do that addition. So 70 minus 54 will give us 16. And then 16 plus 18 will give us a final answer of 34. Looking at number 4, 24 plus 28 divided by 4 minus 3. We're going to do our division first because in our steps, multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. So we would end up with 24 plus, and then 28 divided by 4 is 7, minus 3. 24 plus 7 will give us 31. And 31 minus 3 is 28. Okay. So those are examples 1 through 4. We'll look at 5 through 8 in the next video.